One is Vitaly, and the other is Justin's son. I'll give you 2 seconds to choose who do you think will be next.
Later.
Today's video is a bit special. I believe everyone has seen the news about a 39-year-old Russian tech tycoon facing up to 20 years in prison. He is Pavel Durov, the founder of social media platforms Tycoon and Telegram, who was arrested in France. This incident has prompted many leaders in the crypto world and even the tech industry to speak out in his defense, including prominent figures like Elon Musk and Tucker Carlson from the tech and media sectors, have all expressed their support for him, and the deputy chairman of the Russian State Duma, Pavel, has called for the Russian Federal Service for Supervision of Communications, Information Technology, and Mass Media to immediately block the websites of major French companies operating in Russia, indicating that this incident has gone beyond the legal level and now involves a geopolitical struggle between nations. If that's truly the case, could Vitaly, the Russian-born founder of Ethereum, face similar treatment in the future? Hi, crypto isn't just for programmers, and on this channel, I'll help turn you from a newbie into a seasoned Web3 enthusiast. If you're interested in this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. To survive long-term in the Web3 market, the best way is to improve your skills and become a Web3 app developer. Visit our homepage, and I'll guide you step by step. Let me show you some information from the encyclopedia. Durov was born in St. Petersburg. His father, Valery, holds a PhD in linguistics, and his mother, Durov, is of Ukrainian descent. Both of his parents taught at St. Petersburg State University. His brother, Nikolai, is a programmer and mathematician. In 2006, Durov was inspired by Facebook to create the content. During this time, he and his brother Nikolai built everything from scratch, then to adoption establishing the V-Content website and leading it to an approximate valuation of $3 billion. In 2013, the two of them founded the Telegram messaging app. If you're familiar with these platforms, you'll know that both V-Content and Telegram are highly popular social media apps in Russia. And due to its strong encryption and privacy features, Telegram has even been widely used on the battlefield during the Russia-Ukraine conflict. In 2016, Durov was listed among the top 200 richest people in Russia. In April 2021, Forbes magazine published a new global billionaire list, where he ranked 112th with a net worth of $17 billion. According to French news reports, Durov was arrested in France. However, in principle, Durov has long been a target of French authorities, making it unlikely that he would willingly go to France. Rumor has it that the arrest occurred because his plane allegedly ran out of fuel and had to land in France for refueling, where he was then detained by French agents. The charges against him are numerous, so I won't list them all, but essentially, if it's in the criminal code, he's likely involved. He is expected to face up to 20 years in prison, and there are rumors suggesting that this arrest in France was made at the request of the United States. As for the reason, the article does mention it, but since it's just a rumor, it hasn't been confirmed. Some speculate that hackers use Telegram to leak Israeli secrets. Others suggest it's an effort to crack down on the circulation of TON, a cryptocurrency associated with Telegram. Honestly, who knows? TON was initially a blockchain project created within Telegram, but after a legal dispute with the SEC in 2020, Telegram and TON went their separate ways. Since then, TON has been managed by an independent team of developers. In fact, when TON was relaunched in 2021, it was legally separated from Telegram's official entity. It's merely a relationship of collaboration and usage. Despite this, there are market concerns that it might still be used as a pawn in the power struggles between major nations. Given TON's heavy reliance on Telegram's traffic, if US regulatory agencies label it as non-compellent, there is a possibility that major platforms could delist TON. After all, this scenario has already played out with the DeFi protocol Tornado Cash. Here's my perspective. TON's strength is also its weakness. It is very closely tied to Telegram. As long as Telegram remains stable, TON should be fine. For now, TON seems to be doing well. However, if it aims to grow and become a major force, I believe it won't be easy, perhaps even impossible. After all, if we're talking about the US, they naturally favor platforms like Solana, which they consider their own, rather than TON, which has Russian roots. Even with either as you start to grow significantly, you're bound to face sanctions. So, the next blockchain to face sanctions could be either from Vitaly, TON from Justin's side, TON from Durov. in Ant Smart Chain from CZ, or any of the various POS blockchains. Right now, there are just two lucky ones. One is Vitali, and the other is Justin Sun. I'll give you 2 seconds to choose who do you think will be next. If you want to learn about developing on the Solana chain and their EVM chain, make sure to follow our channel for more related content. If you'd like to join our community, you can visit our website, where you'll find a link to join our Discord server. See you there.